Restore WordPress website from backup using cPanel. This is a step-by-step video so you can go ahead and follow easily. Now unfortunately, if you haven't backed up your WordPress website, you cannot go ahead and do this method. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how. You want to click on the applications on your cPanel, and once inside, you can then go ahead and see your WordPress website. From here, you want to click on the backup button, and if you accidentally delete this website, we can now go ahead and restore this by going in through our backups. To do that, you want to click on the backup option, and from here, you can now go ahead and see all of your backups inside this category. You can just go ahead and click on restore, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.